If you want to know how can you copy a YouTube video link on your mobile device, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in two different methods. In case the first one doesn't work, you can try the second one and it is guaranteed to always work. So all you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and make sure you have the YouTube app updated to the latest version, just like that. Now we can quit the store and finally go ahead and open YouTube. Now from here, find the video that you want to copy the link of. I'm gonna search for this video right here. So once you find the video, go ahead and tap on it to play it or open it basically. And then once it loads up, you need to tap on this share icon right here. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Go ahead and tap on copy link to copy the link, and that is how you do it, guys. Now, if that doesn't work for you for some reason, you can always go to your browser and go to youtube.com from your browser. And once the website loads up again, you need to go ahead and find the video that you want to copy the link of. I'm gonna search again for the same video. And once you find the video, you need to go ahead and tap on it to open it. So go ahead and tap on the video and wait for it to load up. And once it does, again tap on the share icon right here. A menu will pop up again from the bottom of the screen. So once it does, go ahead and tap on copy link, and just like that, you have copied the link. You can paste it or send it anywhere, and it will be sent with a cover photo as well, especially if you do that on social media apps like Instagram. So if I go ahead and paste it right here on this Instagram conversation and then tap on send, it will load up with the cover photo or the thumbnail of the video. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll try to answer every single question you have. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.